morning. There's my dog. I am just jumping on to give you some quick direction on today's lesson for 7th grade. It was a great day yesterday. I think 7th graders are doing a really nice job turning in assignments. Today's assignment, I went over with some of the kids who chose to get on Zoom. Again, if you are on Zoom, please jump on at 12:30. I'm happy to help you. I'm also sending emails to you for your missing assignments. You need to check those emails. Some of those missing assignments may be finished, but I do not turn them in for you. You must turn them in yourself. So you need to locate those assignments that are missing and turn them in, please. So check your email, please. So as I present mode to you so you can see this a little bit better, today is Tuesday and this is our distance learning day. You're going to understand about the reasons for the seasons by watching a crash course that's only about 4 minutes long, and then you're going to complete a worksheet. On the worksheet, I've given you guys your spots for inserting your text. And for number 3, if you wanted to write the letter in, you could put a text box in there for the letter, or you could draw a line. I'm happy with either of those things. So what you're going to do is probably spend only about a half an hour on this specific assignment. It should not take you very long. If the link in the first slide doesn't work, I've created a link right here underneath. You can always Google the actual title of the YouTube. So as you guys are getting into today, I want to give you a couple of tips. Follow your schedule. If you have me first hour, do first hour first, and then go all the way through 7th hour. Your science specific, I can't talk to anybody else's classes, but science specifically should not take you very long. There really should be no excuse for missing assignments. So make absolute certain you stay on a schedule so that you're not overwhelmed by Friday when all of these are due. I want you to also remember that we have conferences coming up. If you are a person who needs some special assistance, you're not getting this distance learning thing or being online, using a Chromebook all the time, it would be very helpful for us to talk with your family member about how to establish some success for you. So if that is the case, there is a email that was sent home to both you and your family members regarding the link and how to sign up. So please check through that. If you have any questions, remember that I am in a Zoom every day at 12:30, so please join me at 12:30 for your assistance if needed. All right, have a great day and please get working.